OSHA can use the General Duty Clause to cite hazards that are not covered by the regulations. The industries with the most citations include manufacturing, transportation and warehousing, construction, support services, and wholesalers. By reviewing these industries and looking at OSHA emphasis programs, we can predict the most common General Duty Clause citations. They include ergonomics, heat stress, seatbelt use on forklifts, lack of routine maintenance, and lack of training. OSHA also uses the General Duty Clause for combustible dust, workplace violence, and even using a cell phone while driving. To give a citation, OSHA must identify a recognized hazard that was likely to cause death or serious harm. The inspector might review injury records, question employees, look at equipment operator manuals, or cite industry standards. For example, workers might handle heavy items during warm weather, and the 300 log might show cases of heat stress and repetitive motion injuries. Or employees might report those problems to the OSHA inspector. This can show that a hazard was recognized. Along the same lines, OSHA's regulation on forklifts doesn't mention seatbelts, but the operator manual does require wearing the seatbelt. And OSHA's regulation requires training the operator on the warnings and precautions in the operator manual. The same concept applies to other equipment. Operator manuals often recommend routine maintenance. If the failure to perform that maintenance could cause injury, OSHA could issue a citation. And of course, employers should review those manuals during training. If an employee can't answer questions about the manual's safety precautions, OSHA could issue a citation. To identify these hazards, employers should evaluate the workplace, review injury records, and even question employees. Taking these steps will not only help avoid citations, but will help protect workers from serious injuries.